Hey, Phil, Got Memories here, revisiting from a Digital 8 video I just posted, and then I redid the tape, because it had gone to crap, heads were clogged. So here we are. I managed to get 37 minutes off this particular tape. The previous time it was 14 minutes. So we've got all of this footage here. We're at Legoland, and look what happens. Not even the audio coming through, but this is systemic issues with Digital 8 that everyone encounters. And then it goes blue screen, and go, oh, your tape's done. No, it isn't. Your video heads are clogged. See, look at this blue screen right now. I'm going to run this head cleaner again through it. I am going to save that particular portion of the file because it is 30 minutes in, but it's still got, another 25 or so minutes on it. But watch this. That was going blue screen, as you saw there. I'm going to run this head cleaner. I am actually going to save this file and then go scrub back to where it starts to go to crap. All right, here, save that. Let that render. Okay, done the video. Let's see. Enough time to clean it. There we go. See, this was the previous. Look, it's two number 19s right here. So anyway, you can see here. I'll play in a sec. Let's just put this tape back in. I've just taken the cleaner out. And when they're like, oh yeah, your tape had nothing on it. It's just blank. Meanwhile, the players are gunked up. They got basic stuff that don't care. Look, there's the footage right there. I mean, now what I've got to do is I'm going to rewind this because I don't want to keep having to redo this. I've got to find the footage here. Hold on. So they are at Legoland. No, that was the previous one that lasted 6 minutes. So forget that one. This is the latest. 31 minutes 52. So they're at Legoland with the cars, and so forth. Here they're on a beach. So I've got to sit now and hold down the rewind button and then find that footage. Now this could be it might be a minute, a couple minutes, but this is what I go through here. All this extra time, and people go, why aren't you charging cheap rates? Because I do all this necessary, mandatory, essential. What are other words for that? I need to get the thesaurus out. All this different stuff here. Here we go. This is Legoland. I mean, again, this is meaningless stuff to some people, but to other people, it's very important. So you've got to have a knack for all of this stuff, taking the time, holding down this rewind button, trying to find, and this is all kind of just unedited stuff. But all right, so there's like greenery, there's all the Lego stuff, blah, 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 blah. I'm looking for that frame right there. And they're just going on and on and on. Because if you hit the stop button and then you just, there we go, the greenery. All right, so here we go. Let's do this. 19 part 2. Here we go. We got the greenery to match that stuff. And we're just going to, there we go. Boom. All right, now that is continuing. Okay, now I'm going to watch this again. Hopefully this lasts, because this particular tape, I can feel the dust and the dirt, and that means that it has not been optimum. I can't even get the words out today. And then once I've captured this remaining part of the tape, which is about probably 25 minutes, hopefully, this is 30 something. I'm going to have to merge those two clips together, save it so it's one file per tape. And there we go. So I'm going to delete the first one, 19. I've got 19.1 here. I got that. File management is everything. Look at all this. I'm slowly starting to build the files here. This is the whole, it's like a 19 tape job. I've named some of them out. Other ones I haven't because they're not labeled. So I'm going to go through them and see what the content is. You know, it looks like Christmas morning. It's got a date stamp, 1989. I put that in there. All this extra stuff. So yeah, anyway, that's running good. Anyway, that's me right now, just in the midst of more Digital 8 issues. All the best to you out there. If you want to get a quote, gotmemories.com. If you're looking for cheap, crappy pricing from these shitbox companies, do not bother. Do not waste your time. I am expensive for good reasons, as you've seen right there. Outstanding Google reviews. You will not find anybody in the world with better reviews than I have because I give a crap and I know what the hell I'm doing. Otherwise, all the best to you out there. If you have Digital 8, you're going to need lots and lots of players, and they're all crap. They're all old. They're all worn out. They've all been passed down from 3, 4, 5 different people that have been trying to transfer their own tapes over the past 20 years. Woo! It's all a jumble. All right. Cheers, guys. Bye.